Lovely, Tanya in the shop today, and what we're doing is we are going to make lava rocks. Yes, that's right. So I've mixed up 11.5 of ultra fast resin. It's supposed to be poured to 5-6 millimeters deep maximum, and now I am going to put it into a microwave oven and nuke it. Bring this up to about 160 degrees, and we are making lava. Tanya is going to put 1 kilo into there to bring it up to 1500 as we make our next batch of lava epoxy. Keep going, all of that, mate. Sweet, keep going. You're only up to 700, mate. Pump it, squeeze it.
Get every last drop out of it. God. You're so naughty. Keep going. John.
I don't think there's going to be 1500.
John, make it squirt.
Well, you might go.
What are we up to?
14.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. Okay, give me that. Team, so we've divided this into two. Now, Tanya's going to put some mixing black into there. So mixing black in this one, sweetheart.
How much?
Oh no, this one actually. We'll do the black in there. Keep going. Go hard. Yep, stop there. Give that a whirl up. She's giving it a whirl. Really go hard. Really get into it. I think you want to put quite a bit. Oh no, that might be right actually. Thing guys, we are just exotherming this. Put it in the microwave. I put it in for a minute the first time. And then yeah, just pick a number. And just keep checking it every 15 seconds or so. So I think it's going to be pretty close. Yeah, it's starting to smoke. It's starting to go, guys. Give it a stab, baby. Up and down, up and down. As you can see now, it's starting to exotherm. Oh. Drop it into a bucket of water.
Why's your voice changed?
Smelly shit. And can you pass me the chisel, please? Now hold the container. Try not to go through the container.
I'm going to try.
Keep stabbing it, mate. Think of the ex-missus.
What about the XX?
Think of the boyfriend.
Oh, he's alright.
Keep stabbing him, mate. Go hard.
So
Okay, put it back in the water. Put it back in the water. Whoa. Under. Yep. Tip that stuff out in there. Tip the...
All of it?
Yeah. Right, break it up. Boy, back in the water, mate. Put some more water in there. Empty that stuff out. We are going exothermic.
So much responsibility.
Lots of water in there, mate. Lots of water. Yeah, lots of water in there. Put water in there, mate.
There's water in there, mate.
Yeah, don't want to breathe that shit in.
No, I don't. Be fair.
Leave the water in the container. Yeah, that's the one, bro. You're a good man.
Otherwise, you're going to breathe in the gas. So when you're doing this, guys, keep the water in the container as much as you can. And stab it, mate.
That's got real hard, mate.
Yeah, I know. Just
Go hard. You're such a big, strong boy. You're such a big, strong boy.
So we've broken up our exothermic pieces of orange resin. Now we're going to do the same as in yellow, and then I'm going to do some black. And this is how I make my lava tables. We are going exothermic. Are we going exothermic?
We're going exothermic.
We are going exothermic.
Oh, baby, we're going exothermic.
Guys, so Tanya's just made up the black lava. Now I'm just going to pour that into this bucket here. Pour it all out. All out, all of it, all of it. Loving it. I'm loving it. Rightio, now we get some black lava. Now it's time for yellow. So Tony's just putting some yellow into this. Yep, leave it there. Stop. Leave it there. Absolutely beautiful. And this is for the really hot layer that sits under the red and the orange. And it is going to be pretty epic. And this is for the base of the lava seed. Yep, give that a whirl. Good mix up. That's cool. That's heaps. We'll just give that a bit of a whirl. 4 bananas. So let's just go so.
What we did the first time, right?
Rightio, so now we're just going to leave that, not going to do anything to it, let it cure up, and then we'll put our lava rocks in. I've got a feeling that this is too dark. Mm-hmm. So if this is too dark, we won't use this for yours. I'll use it for my project, and I'll turn this into a lava board. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video with Tanya and myself making lava seeds and learning how to
Through lava rocks, which was pretty spectacular.
what did we just do?
Exotherm some lava rocks.
Lava rocks. Oh my god, that is so cool. Anyway guys, we'll leave it at that, and we'll come back for the next episode of how to make a lava bench set with LED lighting effects.